Okay, so here it has been told to find the equation of a plane which is perpendicular to, we have to find the equation of the plane pi1, which will be perpendicular to the planes pi2 and suppose pi3. This is pi2 and this is pi3. And this plane pi1 should also pass through some point A, which is -1, -1, 2. So here we can see that if the normal vector to the plane pi2 is n2 vector and the normal vector to the plane pi3 is n3 vector, then we can say that the normal vector to the plane pi1, which is n1, that should be also perpendicular to both these normals n1, n2 and n3. So n1 vector is also perpendicular to both the normal vectors, to both the normals uh, n2 vector and n3 vector. Since why? Since pi1 is perpendicular to both pi2 and pi3. Therefore, their normals should be perpendicular also. So therefore, n1 vector can be written as n2 vector cross n3 vector. So therefore, n2 vector, the equation of the plane pi1 is given as yeah, means we have to find that, and the equation of the plane pi2 is given as 2x plus 3y minus 3z equals to 2. Therefore, n2 vector, that is the normal to the vector pi, that is the normal to the plane pi2, that will be 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 3k cap. And pi3, which will be equal to pi3 equation is given as 5x minus 4y plus z, that is equal to 6. So the normal vector n3 to the plane pi3, that will be equal to 5i cap minus 4j cap plus k cap. Okay, so therefore n1 vector will be so this is minus, obviously, and n1 vector will be n2 cross n3. So n2 cross n3 we have to do, that is equal to the determinant of I cap, j cap, k cap, and the components of n2 are 2, 3, and 3, and minus 3, and n3 components are 5, minus 4, and 1. So plus, minus, plus. So I cap into that will be 3 minus 12, and minus j cap into this will be 2 minus of minus 15. So it is plus 15, and plus k cap into this will be minus 8 minus 3 5 is 15. So this will be equal to minus 9i cap, then minus 17j cap, then minus this will be 23k cap. So therefore I can say that the direction ratios along the normal n1 vector can be written as 9, 17, and 23. Therefore, the normal vector n1 can be also taken as, means n1 vector should be actually proportional to this. So it means n1 vector is some, we can tell it is some lambda times of this, some lambda times of this. So here n1 vector we can also take it as actually 9i cap plus 17j cap and plus 23k cap. So the plane pi1 also passes through this point A. So therefore we can tell, therefore the equation of the plane pi1, that will be in the form r vector minus a vector dot n1 vector, that should be equal to 0, where a vector is nothing but the position vector of this point A, which is lying on this plane, which is OA vector. So that will be minus I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. So therefore we can say R vector dot n1 that is equal to A dot n1, that we can also say. So R vector dot n1 that will be R vector dot 9 I cap plus 17 j cap plus 23 k cap. And that will be equal to A dot n1. A dot n1. So A is this and A dot this with n1. So this will be minus 9 minus 17 plus 46. So this will be equal to R vector dot 9 I cap plus 17 j cap plus 23 k cap. That will be equal to so 17 plus 9, it is 26, and so this is equal to 20. So this is the required vector equation of the plane, and the Cartesian equation and the Cartesian equation of the plane will be 9x plus 17y plus 23z, that is equal to 20. So this is the final answer. Thank you.